Hello everyone and welcome to Cooking Cosplay. Today I'm cosplaying Akko from Little Witch Academia and we will be making some Christmas hot chocolate with a magical twist. So let's get started. Now that we're in uniform and ready to go for Christmas, we're gonna start with melting some chocolate. We're not just doing any kind of hot chocolate, we're doing fancy and magical hot chocolate. Bacon chocolate melts a bit easier than normal chocolate, which is why we're using that. You're supposed to put it in like a milk bath, so you boil up water and then you melt the chocolate just so it doesn't burn, I'm pretty sure is the reason. But I think it's fine. I've melted chocolate so many times throughout my life and I have never once put it straight into the pot, and I don't know why I decided that today was the day when I'm recording to just do this. That's just not how you do it. That's not how you melt chocolate. So what you're actually supposed to do is fill a pot up with water, and then this is what you're supposed to set to a boil. Okay, it's boiling. We're putting about 100 grams of baking chocolate, and we're just gonna have this at the top. This way we allow the baking chocolate to melt without burning, and it also doesn't get this weird gooey texture. It actually just melts. I'm not sure if this is enough chocolate, so we're just gonna start off with this and we're gonna let this continue boiling. So what we want to do is we have this little mold. We're just gonna put the chocolate in 4 of these, you know, like roll. Now just mush it up to the sides properly. Eat some chocolate while you're at it. My favorite kind of chocolate is melted chocolate. Like, I don't mind chocolate that has been, you know, forgotten in the car during a sunny day. Like, I think that's the perfect kind of chocolate. I love when it's melted. Yeah, let's put this in the freezer. The chocolate has now hardened. So now we need to carefully try to get it out without killing it. Oh wow, look how smooth that is. Wow, would you look at that? We managed to get them all out of the mold. Now it is time to fill them up. And how do we do that, you may ask? You see, boy. We're gonna start with that. So we're gonna put half of this bag in one of them, then half in another. Perfect. Okay, next step, we need some mini meringue. That's the word. I always confuse meringue and marshmallow. Just gonna grab a few of these and put in here. Very pretty. Starting to get a bit full. I need to get bigger balls. That's just a fact. Big balls makes everything easier. I was supposed to put this in as well, but I'm not sure how to fit it. So we're just gonna try. This is actually Christmas sprinkles, because, you know, stay in the balls. There we go. Look at this. Wow. Next step is to boil some water again. Now this is actually a very important step, because first of all, we're going to use it to melt together these dudes. And then we're also going to use it to make the hot chocolate. Just waiting for the water to boil. To fill the time, let's talk about my wand. This is 3D printed. This is my first ever prop that is 3D printed. But for some reason we couldn't 3D print the this stick, so it is a reusable metal straw that I managed to glue in. And this is the prop that I've hurt myself the most on. Because for some reason I always think it's fun to put it like this, or like this, or like this. And sometimes I slip and I stab myself in my nose. It's happened many times. And I still do it. I don't know why. It's just very soothing to just like put it like this. But it also hurts. But you know, you just kind of just like this and then it's I don't know. I don't know why I do it. Or just like, you know, like this. I don't know why. I really don't know why I do it. And I always imagine like, what if what if you put it like this and then the other nostril on the other side, but that would hurt so much. So I haven't actually tried doing it. but if you're feeling very brave one day, you could. It's almost midnight. I'm very tired, but this is actually facts about me. Yeah, and the cosplay is made from, these are like curtains from Rustam. This is just a random like fur vest from a second hand, actually. Yeah, there's some fun facts about my cosplay. I have shoes as well, but flippers for life. We're gonna use this knife and we're just gonna put it on the side here to warm it up. So we're gonna put this to the test. Because what we're doing now is we want to melt the edges. Oh wait, I have an idea, wait. I am so smart. Okay, we're gonna put the knife away. We don't need the knife. Okay. Let's go. We're gonna melt this at the side. Ah! It's melting so quickly, oh my god. Ah! Ah! It got stuck. No! No! It's too big! It's too big! Stupid big balls, no! Wait, we're gonna try with the other one. Something's wrong. How do we deal with this, you may ask? Well, I haven't failed some. I failed some chocolate earlier. I think I burnt it. It's melting. Don't zoom in on them. They are not good enough. Okay, so the solution to this very unpredictable problem that happened is another pan. More chocolate. Who knew life could go this smoothly? Okay, we got some new chocolate. Let's just cover up our mistakes. The new chocolate is melting the old. These are so beautiful. Shh, shh, shh. It keeps melting. No. The magical twist is that they suck. So the next step, now that we're done, first of all, we're going to decorate them. Our beautiful, beautiful hot chocolate balls. No. We're going to just put some caramel sauce on it. And we're going to put some sprinkles on. The final touch. Look at these. Beautiful. No. Beautiful. Okay. Last step. And now it's time for the magic. Magic. This completely full whole bowl. Why is it gray? And then, because it's Christmas, I promise you it might taste better than it looks. And here we have the final result. So this is what came out of our chocolate balls. It's very sweet. It tastes a bit like candy cane, but not too much. It's actually a really good balance of flavors. This really felt like the perfect way to end the year. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the episode, and if you did, please hit the like and subscribe. And don't forget to try out this recipe to really impress your friends during these holidays. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!